Hello my lovely kids, how are you all? I hope children you all are doing well at home. Okay, so it's time for an interesting origami activity time in our scrapbook. So you will just mention the date 26/2006, 26/6/2021, date over here, and in center mention the heading origami rabbit and classwork. Okay, so this type of paper rabbit, origami rabbit we are going to make today. For this you need a small craft sheet of any color you can take, preferably you can take yellow color. Okay, so how we will make, just learn. So this is a paper, hold it like this and you have to join these two ends, make a sandwich fold. Alright, so quickly make a sandwich fold children, like this. See, now another make one fold. This is looking like sandwich or triangle. Now another make a fold like this. Yes, so you can see now it's triangle. So after doing this much, make this triangle, you will what do? You will just fold the paper from downward like this. See, this much paper you will just fold. Just wait, I am showing you how you will do. See, in this way you will just fold this paper. Okay, look at here. So after doing this fold children, what you will do, you can see this center point. You will just fold the paper. Fold the paper, see, like this. What you will do, you will just fold this end towards like this. In this way. Find the center point, from one end you will fold and then from another end also you will fold the paper like this. See, after doing this, by folding from both the ends, turn this paper and you are seeing this much part, so you will just fold this part inside like this. Okay, and what you will do children, you will just cut this below part little bit with the help of scissor. You will just take the scissor. See, this much part I have cut it down. Now with the help of marker you will just draw the eyes and nose like this. Take the black color marker and make the eyes. Okay, now make the nose part and this one mouth part. Alright, now you will just apply glue and paste this rabbit face here in your scrapbook very beautifully. Alright, I hope this is clear to everyone. So do it very properly. Make all the folds very neatly. Thank you so much.